Hey, here we're going to solve a quadratic equation. It is 36y squared equals 121. And this is a pretty good candidate for the square root principle because we have this y squared term without a y term. And that means that we might have the possibility of getting it as something like y squared equals a number. So that's what we need to do first, which means get that square part by itself. So we'll divide both sides by 36. So we'll have y squared equals 121 over 36. Now you could possibly divide that, but it won't be as nice of an answer if we do that. So once we do that, we can take it and we can take the square root of both sides. And when we take the square root, we introduce a positive or negative because we know that if we square a negative, it turns positive as well as squaring the positive. So the square root knocks out the square, so we get y equals plus or minus square root of 121 is 11, square root of 36 is 6. So we get y equals plus or minus 11/6. And that's using the square root principle.